I think maraming nabitin doon sa last usap natin about Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea, specifically kung paano daw kumuha ng mga fast passes. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung basics and ano ba yung different types of fast passes that you can actually download doon sa app. And speaking of app, you need to download the Tokyo Disney Resort app to actually download these fast passes. Ganito yung itsura niya, and parehong Disneyland and Disney Sea yung makikita doon sa same na app. Just take note that regardless kung saan nyo binook yung ticket, ang important is i-register or i-scan nyo doon sa loob ng app yung mga tickets na nabook nyo. That means you can still book via the likes of Klook or Agoda and still use promo codes like this one para makatipid kahit konti. Once registered na sa app yung mga tickets nyo, hindi nyo pa agad magagamit yan to book fast passes. Kasi mandatory na nakapasok na kayo sa loob ng park for all those tickets to be activated. Once nasa loob ng park, you can now start booking fast passes. And merong dalawang klase ng fast passes sa Tokyo Disney. The first type is called the 40th Anniversary Priority Passes. Basically, ito yung mga free na fast pass. Pwede nyo i-maximize to, but take note na select rides lang talaga yung part nitong free fast passes. Which also means hindi kasama yung mga in-demand rides kagaya ng Frozen, Tangled, etc. The second type is called the Disney Premier Access or DPA. Itong DPA naman yung paid na fast pass. Most of the in-demand attractions, especially the newer ones like Frozen and Tangled, under sila ng DPA. And hindi lang rides yung kasama sa DPA ha, even reserved areas or spots for parades and the nighttime show, pwede ka rin mag-purchase ng DPA. Ang kagandahan sa Tokyo Disney Resort, if you purchase a DPA for shows, meron kang choice if you want reserved spots or reserved seats. Technically sa floor lang nakaupo, pero at least hindi mo kailangan i-secure yung spot mo 2 or 3 hours before a specific show. DPA prices can range from 1,500 to 2,500 per person per attraction or show. I know common question din, lahat ba kailangan mag-download ng app? Actually, hindi. You can actually book as a group. Kung lahat kayo or select members of the group, pwede din. So, mag-assign na lang kayo ng isang gagawa nun for you. In our case, ako yun. By the way, you have to take note na yung pagbubook nitong mga to, may oras din na sinusunod. For 40th Anniversary Fast Passes, booking is only every 2 hours, which means kung nag-book ka kunyari ng 9 a.m., after 2 hours pa yung next booking mo, or kung lumipas na yung return window nung first booking. For DPA, it's shorter, only 1 hour interval. Pro tip is to actually blend the use of both DPA and 40th Anniversary Fast Passes. Yan mainly yung Fast Passes, but check out my other videos about Tokyo Disneyland and Disney Sea to maximize your next visit. Hope this helps. More travel soon!